Welcome back guys to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Solayer after listing on the Binance and on the BitGet, the zone of interest for this token. Let's dive in. After listing we work with initiation accumulation pump model. How to work with this model, highly recommend you go and check free educational video. So we, like usual, after listing, all exchanges list with totally different listing prices. So the floor price. On Binance, on HTX, it's around 20 cents. On Bybit, I guess 10 cents. And on BitGet, like usual, they list at the lowest price ever. Almost all tokens, I don't know why, but BitGet recently listed much lower than other exchanges. And on the Binance, for example, a lot of tokens invalidated this idea because invalidation of this strategy if we dump on the listing price. On BitGet, a lot of tokens still in play. So I showed you just two charts and then we focus on BitGet. So take a look there, just for everyone who don't know how to work with this model. So this is the first zone of interest. It's okay zone to buy. This is second zone of interest where the best zone to buy. The target where to sell is here. So let me show you on a Binance and then we focus on BitGet. So on a Binance, it starts 67.20, 62.72, 52.64, 38.28, 31.96. So you can mark that levels if you trade on a Binance up to your own risk, and wait that targets. On a BitGet, the zone of interest will be much lower. That's why we'll focus on a BitGet. Let's go to the BitGet and mark the zones, because of course the lower we drop, the more we can save initial deposit, right? Not start to use DCA so early and save the time. And if some token not drop, for example, to some of zone of interest, we can skip the token because we can't buy every single token or trade every single token. So here, this is the best zone to buy on BitGet. So it's 23.8, 15.79. Should this token drop to this area? We can't know. And it's not necessary, guys. You can accumulate even now. So it's up to you guys. I share just my idea and we work with that model in the last, I guess, 2 or 3 years, right? So, and this model got a pretty good win rate. You can open the chart of I guess 90% of tokens which listed on a Binance or on a Bybit, BitGet, no matter what exchange in the last 2 years, and find out that model works perfectly well. A lot of tokens after listing got out this chart. Some hold it here, some hold it here, some form something like, for example, I'm not give you the example of Solayer, because Solayer made a move like this one here. If you don't remember, the Solayer dropped to 23 level by FIB, then pump it to $20, and after that form the rainbow and drop anyway drop it to the best zone to buy. So it's just a matter of time. For example, the layer 0 drop like this one, bounce, hit the $7 and then landed to 0.5. So it's just a matter of time. Some of tokens form something like this one, like Jupiter, and hold a line around here, and then it can go higher. For example, the good example was with the SUI and the SEI. They done perfect tests here and going higher. So guys, work with the own risk management, with the own money management. So it's not about it's not a signals. So you have to know. So nobody know the future. Maybe tomorrow the Binance after, for example, 2-3 months we traded here, then we will see some issue, with a Solayer, and then they delist this token. We can't know. They delisted the Reef and the Polka starter. Guys, we work only with possibility, right? So this is it. The zone of where it's more comfortable to start use DCA. It start on a BitGet at 51.25, 39.63. And guys, never say never. Don't need to write it in the comments because you're a fan of this token, for example. And if we not form the bearer chain pattern on hours time frame, this token will never drop to this area. Guys, it's just a matter of time. If not now, and we form something like this one, we can drop in a bear market. If you are comfortable to buy at $1.12 now, you can buy now. and use DCA during the downfall. But keep in mind, we can drop even under the 2 cents. Guys, everything possible. That's why we work with possibilities with the zones. No makes sense to dive into some fundamental and all of that stuff, guys. Fundamental doesn't work. So what is work? It's only the market makers soft, which they program with the bots, and that bots have to deliver the price to the right target in the right time. So that's it. This is a zone where you need to fix a profit. So if you, for example, made an own decision to buy here, after 100%, you should withdraw initial deposit based on this strategy, safety trade. At this block, it's also okay to fix some profit. From the OK zone to buy, it's a 4 limit orders, 1, 2, 3, 4. 147 from this block, 220 from this block, 450, and this one 700. What to do if the token dump it on the listing price? You can open my video about of Starknet and double check the logic. What to do? All zones will be still relevant even if we drop on the listing price, but the gains in percentage will be not so positive. So that's the case. So this is a zone. Let's mark, and this is a zone to sell. Got it. So okay, zone to buy, a zone, not some, yes, we got some specific price, but in this zone you can accumulate step by step. This is the best zone to buy. Invalidation of this idea, drop on the listing price. Pretty simple. Now let's take a look with my custom indicator set. What we else do now with the token after a few hours of the listing. This is distribution. So definitely, of course, some people can claim the airdrop and dump. Some people lagging, and will claim the airdrop later and dump. Some people, can wait and sell higher, so they cannot sell their allocation. So it's not necessary. So people will dump immediately. One take. Maybe somebody just believe in this project and accumulate more, and then dump, build the average entry. So he got like a free tokens, then he buying here, and dump it here. Big dump. We can't know. We can't know what the whales do now. Also, you have to understand the market makers, the exchanges, also the big guys, they also participate in the airdrop. They also use the multi-acting system, right, to farm the tokens, to get an airdrop, to get allocations. So guys, it's pretty simple. And what they will do with their tokens, we can't know. So take a look how the price respect and react at the K levels. Take a look. This is market mood still aphasia. So of course, this is aphasia. Everybody's screaming we're going to the moon and all of that stuff. But usually we drop much lower. Direction, no data, even on 1 hour time frame. This is here. This was accumulation on 15 minutes time frame. This is just example how you can work with the indicator set. So this is a crazy accumulation. It's a 15-minute time frame for this daily time frame. Daily time frame trades here, 73% pump. Pretty good one. From that low, it was 82. So if you use my custom indicator set and you get a plan to buy in here up to your own risk, you could fix 82% profit because was a big accumulation based on ADZ. Now we didn't see any divergency, nothing. So maybe this token will repeat the Celestia model. Who knows? And will dump only after the few months. Maybe. We can't know in a moment, guys. But we have to build a logic. We have to build the zones which is comfortable to work for us. Take a look also the market mood. This is aphasia, this is hope, trill once again, so nothing special like a depression, disbelief. Now it's just a hype around. Money power here, money outflow, correction. Money inflow, small bounce, money outflow. 1 hour time frame. Yes, we got a room for continuation, even to $1.61 or even higher. Who knows? But this is definitely not a right time, like accumulate aggressively. Right time accumulate aggressively if we trade at the bottom with the signals to money inflow. Trade on. No data on 1 hour time frame, 15 minute time frame. Also was a signal confirmation to buy. Buy, sell, drop. Buy back. Pretty small trades. On 5 minutes time frame, you could track also by yourself here. Dump, test 0.20 throw by FIB, bounce, sell. Buy, bounce, So this is it. But guys, you can't trade only by signals. Everything should be in complex, you know. A million times explaining you. Take profit on a 15-minute time frame. No data, 5-minute time frame here. We can go higher to test take profit $1.54, exit line it's $1.7391, and buy line on 55-minute time frame. Now it's here, this one, it's 77 cents 93 for the while of the stock, and 57 cents 59 on 5-minute time frame. But guys, of course, we not use the 5-minute time frame to identify the zone of interest. That's why we need to pay attention for the zones, you know, and the high time frame with my customer set. So guys, all zone of interest I showed you, all my idea where we will go in the next few weeks probably I showed you. And if you would like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write me here, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.